Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox and install this Baseus screen protector on my iPad Pro. So let's open the package over here. We have some seals. I'm actually going to get some scissors. Or never mind, I can use my hand to break them open. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. There we go. Let's open this like a book. Wow. So here's the contents. We have these installation tools. Okay. Some stickers. Pretty cool. So open some other products like a wireless charger and power bank. And it also came with stickers. Then we have this paperwork, some paperwork. And I think that's the only paperwork actually. There's no manual or anything else. Yep. Wait a minute. Are there instructions or not? Let's see. I don't really see anything. Well, we'll have to find out later. Has this template to install it. And the screen protector. Okay, so there are no instructions anywhere in the box. Nothing here. Very strange. So let's figure this out. I have my iPad Pro. Let's open the screen protector. Wow. So here we go. It says remove me. So I guess this will go like this. Okay. This looks pretty simple to do, and that's probably why there are no instructions. So all I need to do is just stick the screen protector over here using this template. And these over here should be some cleaning tools so I can clean the screen. Now first I'm going to shut down my iPad. So let's just power this off. There we go. And then this is supposed to go over here. Let's see. Like this. Oh wow, pretty cool. So the screen protector can easily slide in like that. Alright, I'm gonna clean the screen. Let's open this. But first I'm gonna point my air conditioner away since the air is actually flowing from the right side. So it might cause some dust to enter. Installation tools. Let's open this. The air here. Okay, what's in here? So, dust absorbers. And microfiber cloth. Nothing else inside. Wet wipes. So, let's see, no instructions. I'm gonna start with the wet wipes, I guess. That makes the most sense. I'm not an expert at installing screen protectors, and I'm just sharing this video. This is not a tutorial. Okay. Here's the wet wipe. There we go. I'm gonna wipe the screen. Just like that. To remove all the fingerprints and dust. Then I have the microfiber cloth to clean it. So let's just do this. Now this microfiber cloth is pretty good, but it's actually really small, so I'm gonna use my own instead. So I have some over here. I'm just gonna get this one. And take a look at this. It's way faster. Then I'm gonna use the dust absorber to remove all the dust. So let's just wipe it down. Make sure that no smudges or fingerprints. Okay, the screen looks really good. So I'm gonna get this template over here. I put this on. Just like that. Okay. Okay, now it's time to use these dust absorbers. Let's get one. Just like that. So there was one bubble over here. I removed it. And wow, that looks really satisfying. Take a look at this. Okay, the installation is really good. Check this out. Very aligned and precise. Wow. Pretty cool. It also only has a thickness of 0.3 millimeters, so it will work with a Magic Keyboard. Let's test it out over here. Okay, I'm gonna lock it. There we go. Very clear and also very responsive to touch. Good viewing angles. Just like this nose screen protector. Doesn't affect the performance. Same with Face ID and the cameras. They're over here. And I can also close it like this. Let's see what happens. No problems. Take a look at that. Here's a side profile. It fits really well. It doesn't feel significantly heavier. Okay, I'm gonna open it again. Wait a minute. Put this down. So, there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe for more and help out the channel. So, thanks for watching.